Jamaica. Yo. So Jamaicans still are buying up this Easter shit, not knowing that everybody were dead so far are just the start. And for Easter, it had a skyrocket. Why? Because it's a period of sacrifice called Ostera. Deaths will continue to spike. This is why we have a 7-day curfew in Jamaica. So them can install them equipment and release them supplies. You know, listen at night time, in a 12 o'clock in the morning, a plane keep on a fly over on the head when I hear. Alright, while we think we see if them outside of the world we don't expect them to be doing. In the UK, them already prepare them citizens mentally. Tell them how much will be sacrificed daily for Easter. Them just play mind games with the life and mind. I tell them about them I try help celebrities are pool money and rich people are pool money. I joke them and make with the people. What is Easter? Our calendar is split into 4 segments, each 13 weeks long. Spring, autumn, summer, and winter. In each of these segments there are periods for sacrifice, some major, some minor. They are called Yule, which is now December, to Imbolc, which is February, to Ostera, which begins in March, to Beltane, which starts in May, to Libra, which starts in June, to Lammas, or Lugnasda, which starts on August 1st, to Mabon, which starts in September, to Samhain, which is now known as Halloween. Now, why would your creator give you such a plain evil to live and order your life by? Because it has nothing to do with him or him profit them, but everything to do with the worship of the jinns and obeying the Illuminati. 6 means man, 7 means perfection, 6 plus 7 equals 13. Now, them achieve perfection, self-achieve perfection without the creator. 13 has a very high significance to these people, and the jinns using we human beings as collateral for sacrifice. Once we obey them, the Illuminati with their puppet government, religion and influencers, it basically already sign up for this. And Easter Monday falls on the 13th day of April where we are right now. We are in the spring equinox. It's 13 weeks long and is a minor Sabbath but requires human sacrifice. Now, from March 21st to 22nd is Ostera, which is named Easter after the goddess Ostera or Esther. Is the first Sunday after the first new moon after Ostera. March 21st is one of the Illuminati's human sacrifice night. April 1st, All Fool's Day, precisely 13 weeks since New Year's Day. I want to do the maths. April 19, May 1, blood sacrifice to the beast. Fire sacrifice is required on April 19. On the pre-back, one time them do the bombing in Sri Lanka and I try blame the Muslim them. April 30 to May 1st, Beltane Festival, also called Walpurgis Night. This is the highest day upon them calendar. May 1st is the Illuminati's second most sacred holiday. Human sacrifice is required. You know, people, we're going to just pre some dates, some specific dates, and things will happen in April. Now just remember, April 19 is the first day of the 13-day satanic ritual day relating to fire. The fire god Baal, or Molech, Nimrod, the sun god, also known as the Roman god Saturn. This day is a major human sacrifice day, demanding fire sacrifice with an emphasis on children. This day is one of the most important human sacrifice days, and as such, has had some very important historic events occur on that day. Now, the Illuminati, when you know, so them people they love war, it's the best way for sacrifice, because I kill both children and adults. Now, some ideas them where these rituals happen on April 19, 1775, Battle of Lexington and Concord. Masons do this, Freemason, Illuminati, you know, doing research. April 19, 1943, after the Nazi them trapped the last set of Jews them, the Jewish resistance fighters them in Algeria. After 7 days, them start throw fire in night, start pour fire in night. So this happened on April 19, 1943, using flamethrowers, and them continue pour it in there until all of them dead. Blood sacrifice brought by a fiery conflagration. April 19, 1993, 50 years later to the day, the government troop and tank had a military storm the compound of a brother named David Koresh and him followers them. Basically, this fulfill all the requirements for human sacrifice, trauma, fire, and young sacrificial victims. April 19, 1995, Oklahoma City bombing. Once again, many young children were killed this day. April 19 of any year in the 20th century is a day for fearful contemplation, people. Them are going to kill you a time now, not too stupid to realize what going on because you not choose to be like this. So guess what? I hate a command to you. Don't expect this thing to die down. And when it die down, I'm sorry for you because it will rise again. You want more? Let me know.